Guys, how to make a wave in melon playground. Look. It works when you put a living. It works. Look. I'll slow motion it. See. It just bounces up. It's a useful thing too. It's used for pro builds. So let's make a little tutorial of it. First, you just need a glass and then make it unbreakable. Then stretch it. And then this, I have more of it though. And you're just gonna repeat the same thing and repeat and repeat. And this is what we do first. Wait, let me fix the size real quick. There, you click this. Just paint. Bruh. Click this. Wait, no. Again. Click that. And then turn like this. You can turn it like that if you want to be fast. And then like this. Click. Alright. Any screwdriver you want. And then place it there. And there you go. You have the wave. And this is how you can make. Same as mine, you can copy mine too if you want though. This is what to do first. When you make it to the end, use the freeze. Right there. Freeze. So you can use it now. Yeah, you're done with the tutorial. See ya guys. Just comment below if you want more tutorials.